all of a sudden I'm attacked with this uncontrollable thirst out of water. Well, wait, this is really weird because I wasn't thirsty at all. Ice cream. There's something weird about it. So, I was just thinking about all that weird stuff that happened with the ice cream plus eating it / drinking it. It was really, really melted. Equals thirsty. That really hasn't made sense to me up until the time where I just sat and meditated on ice cream. What really helped was researching it. I figured out that the whole thirsty thing has a lot to do with the fact that our bodies have this constant state that they must remain at, whether it's sugar concentration or temperature. The sugar in the ice cream is like a magnet that sucks the water out of our cells, our body cells. But our body cells need water, right? And so they tell our brain, oh my gosh, I need water. All the sugar is soaking the water out of my cells. Oh my gosh, ice cream is so cold. I'm so cold now. I need to heat up. I used to be so hot. But then all that stuff came and it was just horrible. I'm pretty sure cells don't talk. Pretty sure. I have this nice little diagram of osmosis, which is the whole like cells getting dehydrated thing. There's osmosis, right? That's when the amount of water inside the cell and outside the cell is about the same, but the sugar concentration is not. The body cell has way less sugar concentration than the ice cream outside the cell. Now the ice cream is not actually just sitting outside the cell saying, I hate you, I'm gonna make you lose all your warmth and water. No, the ice cream is dissolved in the fluid around your cells. Okay, it would all be fine. Like, you think everything would balance out. The sugar from outside the cell would go inside the cell and then it would be like even, right? But the thing is, there's this really, really, really annoying semi-permeable cell membrane. The semi-permeable cell membrane says, only water is gonna go in and out of me. So instead the water has to flow in and out of the cell. So then the water level inside the cell goes down, the sugar gets pushed into a smaller space, so the concentration is greater. On the other hand, the water outside the cell, the amount increases. Now these molecules spread out. Now the concentration is about equal. So basically the solute concentration has to be maintained. That's why water from inside the cell leaves to go outside the cell, and then the cell needs more water. You know how ice cream is cold unless it's melted? The ice cream is cold. Colder than your body. When ice cream enters your body, it cools everything down, right? And that feels really refreshing and everything. But it makes stuff hard for your body. There's this thing called homeostasis, which means that all the conditions must be maintained, internal conditions must be maintained. You eat ice cream, your gastrointestinal tract, which is like your stomach and your big intestine, large intestine, and your small intestine, they all get colder, right? But they can't get colder. If they get too cold, if they get colder, then the cells don't function as well. The cells have to find a way to counteract the coldness of the ice cream by creating heat. The cells generate heat, which takes water and energy. That's another way that they get deprived of water, to generate heat. In conclusion, there are two reasons. Two. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was our first educational video, so we've been really looking forward to showing it to you. Feel free to comment any questions below. You can ask questions that aren't related to science, but we probably won't answer them. And also, if you liked it, please like it with the button and subscribe to our channel. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye! My favorite show was on. Oh yes,